President Donald Trump announced unfortunate news for stock market investors on Monday as he sent letters out to the United States trading partners imposing higher tariffs that were paused for several months, and investors were hoping that a deal could be reached lowering tariffs on the United States trading partners. So I'm going to talk about the details of these announcements, what it could mean for stock market investors, some companies specifically that could be negatively impacted, and some companies that will result in positive implications for stock market investors. So let's digest this news, right? So stocks pulled back from their all-time highs on Monday as President Donald Trump said that the United States will impose 25% tariffs on the imports from Korea and Japan starting on August 1st. Additionally, there will be several other countries, including South Africa, Malaysia, and others, that will have tariffs ranging from 25% to 40%. So these tariffs were originally announced in April and then put on pause as stock market investors reacted negatively to the news and stock market started crashing. U.S. trade with partners started to collapse, and the worldwide economy started to get paralyzed, to use one word. And so President Donald Trump paused those tariffs to give the markets and businesses more time to adjust to these huge changes in how businesses import products and manufacture products. And now, after several months of negotiations with countries, there were only two deals that were made, one with the United Kingdom and one with Vietnam. And even in those deals with the United Kingdom, there will be a base 10% tariff and some additional tariffs on component specifics. And even with Vietnam, there will be a base 20% tariff in addition to other tariffs on industry specific items. And so, even when there is a deal being made, tariffs are much higher than from before the current administration took office. So, I think what investors can take away from these initial developments in the first few months of negotiations is that tariffs will be much higher. Businesses that rely on importing products from outside of the United States will have to pay higher costs to import those products. And that's nearly every business in the United States. Even if it's a US based company that has manufacturing facilities in the United States, they still rely on importing products from overseas in order to manufacture in the United States.
Click the link below to watch the full video.